back to our channel UGC NET and GATE Studios. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will be practicing a question which was asked in the June 2020 question paper. It is a question related to software engineering. So without much ado, let's get into the question. Here the question asked is, modifying the software by restructuring is called number 1, adaptive maintenance, number 2, corrective maintenance, number 3, perfective maintenance, and number 4 is preventive maintenance. So guys, for solving these type of questions, you should be able to remember the definition of all these type of maintenances. Then only you will be able to answer this question in just a matter of few seconds. So for reference, I have already jotted down the definitions. Let's get into them. Number 1, adaptive maintenance. The modification made to the software to help it to adapt to new environments. So this maintenance refers to the modifications which you make to the software so that it can adapt to new environments. Such type of modification is called adaptive maintenance. Number 2, corrective maintenance. This is the modification of all kinds. This mentions errors within the software application which could affect the design, code, and logic of the software. So this maintenance will help us to recognize the errors which may be present in our software application which could affect its design, code, and logic. And number 3, perfective maintenance. This refers to the modification of requirements and features which are already present in our own system. So in this maintenance, this will let us know about the modification of requirements and features which are already present in our own system. So suppose a user has to make some changes to the requirements and the features of a system. In this maintenance, this will happen. So this is called perfective maintenance. And number 4 is preventive maintenance. This refers to the changes in the software which will enable the software to work for a longer period of time. So like the changes we make to the software so that it is enhanced and it will be able to work for a longer period of time. Such kind of maintenance is called preventive maintenance. Guys, after going through all the definitions of all these maintenances, the best answer suitable will be adaptive maintenance. Because adaptive maintenance refers to the modifications made to the software to help it to adapt to new environments. So the modifications we make to the software so that it can adapt to new environments is called adaptive maintenance. So here the questions is also asked, modifying the software by restructuring. Restructuring means we have to modify the software. That means adaptive maintenance will be our perfect answer, because here the definition is the modifications made to the software to help it to adapt to new environments. This definition suits our answer, which is adaptive maintenance. So the answer to this question will be number 1, adaptive maintenance. So guys, these type of questions you can be easily able to solve in few seconds if you know the definition of all these type of maintenances. And suppose you don't remember, like you can easily recall and answer these questions. So this is it for today's video. I hope you'll like this video. You can contact us through WhatsApp or Telegram if you have any doubts related to any topic, the links to which will be provided in our description box. You can visit our channel on a regular basis to get such information, such questions on all topics of UGC NET. Now we are doing 2020 questions. Later we will be moving on to 2019, 2018 and so on. So I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.